I thought the whole thing.
Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing episode 3 of Ghana Table Talks. Gonna be meeting up with my boy Kels, our friend TrueVonne, she's a local here, and another friend Lilian, who's going to come with us as we go to one of our favorite restaurants in Tse-Addo, a restaurant called CHERLEYAN'S. In this discussion, we cover 6 main things. The first is what made us want to come to Ghana, from the US for him to visit and for me to live. Then the second question was for the 2 local ladies, Lilian and TrueVonne. The question for them was, what about the US is interesting to them and makes them want to visit the US? Then the third was what we ordered. Me, particular, being a vegan, what food do I get in order to maintain my veganism and still be able to enjoy what I'm eating? And then the fourth thing we talked about was the differences in how the COVID pandemic has been handled, where we came from in the US versus here in West Africa. Huge differences. You definitely want to check that part out. The fifth thing we talked about is how we felt about the food, right? We went around to each person, asked them how the food was. And then the last question is, what do we look forward to post-COVID? All right, guys, so check it out.
Yo, what's up, guys? We're here at CHERLEYAN'S. We finally got our food. We got some amazing choices. I'm looking around. I'm so hungry right now. Vonne, you want to start? She wanted to start right away.
Yeah.
Our first topic, pretty much, of Ghana Table Talk. Why people from Africa may necessarily want to gravitate towards America. What is something about America that makes you guys, want to come over there? Because there's a reason why we came here as well. We have Lilian. So we met Lilian actually on a tour. We went to Shy Hills Reserve in Accra Zoo. And she's been working in tourism for some time now, and she's really good at what she does, very knowledgeable. So that's her answer in terms of wanting to come to America, to visit our tour sites. So yeah, that's the reason why she wants to gravitate, towards America. What about the one and only TrueVonne? What's up?
The main reason why I go to America is because I can only speak one international language, and that's English. So I'm thinking, okay, if I need to travel outside Ghana, I want to go to an English country. There's a lot of diverse culture in America. It's just like a free world. So that is the main 2 reasons why I would go to America.
They're here from Ghana. They're originally from here. Joe and I are from America. Joe has a dual citizenship with Sierra Leone. Now that you're back, Joe is moving here to Accra, Ghana. He's here now permanently as of now. So what's your reason for coming to Africa, bro? For coming back to the motherland?
There's a lot of reasons to take part in the revolution and transformation of Africa as we're moving forward. I want to be a part of that. Most of the people who do take part in that are not African. Being an African living in the diaspora, I think I have a unique viewpoint. I'd like to participate in its growth, but I also want to make sure that the people here are part of that. So for me, it's really about seeing Africa grow and taking its rightful place on the world stage.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine, man. For me personally, I would say, getting the experience of knowing more about my culture, knowing more about my people. And I think us as, either Africans or African Americans, we come from a place where we have our own tribes, we have our own families, our own support systems.
Right.
But I think it's important for us to come together as one, to create something bigger. The strength in numbers. We're so diverse as well.
Right.
We have different languages, different dialects, different swag, different dress, different dances, different music. But all in all, we're all one. Living in America, you see it's a melting pot, but coming back to the motherland, it's like you go from being watered down and you go to the actual concentrate. You see what it's really here for. Those are our reasons, guys, for either wanting to come back to Africa or go to America. What are you guys' reasons? Make sure you drop that in the comments. Let us know if you ever want to come to Africa, if you've been here, or if you've ever been to America and you want to go to America. So yeah, guys, I think it's time to dig into this food. We're so hungry. We're smelling the aromas. It's like in our noses.
It's time. It's time. So as you might have heard, part 1 or part 2.
Jollof,
Yes.
Ghanaian jollof. Yeah.
It's very good.
The most
but
delicious.
Sure, it's the most delicious in Accra. Of
In
course,
Africa.
there might be better elsewhere, particularly Sierra Leone. So I'm a vegan, right? So I try to get foods that are plant-based. So I got the plantains, but I got them boiled instead of fried. Jollof rice only comes one way. It's very good though. It's the pepper sauce, the green sauce. It's very spicy, but really good. And then I get mixed vegetables.
Of course, the Ghanaian jollof rice. Then I have myself some grilled chicken, very tasty. And then I have some coleslaw, hot Ghanaian pepper.
Yeah, get that spicy. Yeah.
That is very, very spicy. I'm already enjoying my meal, Kels, so keep just doing it, you know?
Lilian, what you got here, sister?
There are some fried yam chips, coleslaw, grilled chicken, and some hot Ghanaian.
Okay. I'm actually to try one of those yam chips. That actually look pretty good. Yo guys, so what I ordered, I got the grilled chicken. As you can see, it's actually a favorite amongst 3 of us. Delicious jollof rice, right, with the fried plantains on the side. We're about to go in right now. Let's do it.
Everyone is busy.
Oh.
Oh, sorry.
You at the table?
You just got the rice.
I took the whole thing.
Like it's spicy, like sweating, nose running.
That's how you do it? Yeah.
That's my type.
We've been living through COVID. Everybody's been living through COVID. What's the biggest differences we've seen between America and Ghana, or even Sierra Leone, in terms of the COVID? Me personally, like when you come here, it's kind of like COVID doesn't really exist.
Right.
Right? It's
Exactly.
like it's out there, but like people wear masks, but it's not like a big horror thing.
In the year of 2020, the year of COVID, I was in Los Angeles, New York, and Vermont. And in each of those places, everybody's very cautious. You not only wear your mask into a place, you wear a mask while you're there, except for when you're eating or drinking. There was fear of getting COVID. And then I got to Sierra Leone. A lot of people don't even believe COVID is here on the continent. But when I got to Ghana, it's a little different because they focus on the protocol. So there are COVID protocols. How has your life changed?
Yeah, how's your life changed since COVID?
I'm just chilling.
You just chilling? She eating her jollof rice. She's like, I'm gonna give an answer, but I don't have to stop eating and just keep it moving. So we've been, in America, and we've been here. Joe and I probably have the biggest idea of what the differences were like.
For sure. We washed our hands before we went to enter an establishment.
Yeah, that's a fact.
So that's the difference, right? In the US, in some places, they have hand sanitizer. Here, a bucket of water with a spout on it. I have soap, something to dry your hands with, and you wash your hands before you walk in.
I want you guys to let us know what COVID is like, where you're from, how you guys are handling it,
Yeah.
and if you think things are gonna get better anytime soon. I'll be coming back to America soon, a lot soon.
Yeah.
I would miss you guys. I would miss you guys too. The vibes out here amazing. The food's amazing.
Come to Ghana, I'll host you.
Right?
And let us know where you want to go once COVID is over.
Yeah.
If it ever changes. The world changes.
For sure.
What do you want to do? Where do you want to go?
Hi.
It's Judgement time.
Yeah.
Let us know what you guys are thinking about the food.
It's
Tell
really
us.
good. The first week we were here, I think I ate here 4 or 5 nights in a row. So I love this place. Food is really good. I just like to order in advance to make sure it gets out when I'm ready to eat. But it's really, really good food. Everything they do here is good.
Yeah.
Now, somebody thinks that I don't have peripheral vision and they can just sneak in and grab some of my plantains.
Yeah.
But I see everything when it comes to my food.
I mean, it's the most delicious jollof in the continent, so I can't complain. But I really like the chicken sauce, the pepper sauce. Okay.
So what you think about the food, Lil? What you feeling?
The food is very, very nice, especially the coleslaw. You can see I'm done with mine. I need to
Yeah. She
Yeah,
did go
she
in the
took mine.
coleslaw.
with the pepper sauce.
Yeah.
God.
That's the way.
But in general, the food is very nice.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, I like my food as well. I'm a big fan of plantains. These things are cooked perfectly, so these are very flavorful. The jollof rice has a nice spice to it, and it's a little kick, that Bruce Lee kick. You know what I'm saying? That side kick. You don't know it's coming. And the chicken is flavorful as well. Maybe it has like some kind of dry rub to it because it's very seasoned. I haven't tried any of the spicy sauce because I'm not gonna play myself today. And judging by the looks of them, they are sweating. You guys need to come by, check it out, drop an order off. They make the food with love. What's one thing you're looking forward to post-COVID?
to get my family together. You know, we used to do family get-togethers once a year or once every 2 years, and we hadn't done that because of COVID. So that's the thing I'm looking forward to most. Large part of my family getting together and sharing some time together, whether that's at a destination or here on the continent.
I'm just looking forward to enjoying life again, just everything going back to the way it used to be. I know it would probably not be the same, but at least closer to how life used to be before COVID. Yeah, just enjoying life, YouTube, and some other personal goals.
So I expect things to go back to normal.
I guess one of the biggest things I'm looking forward to post-COVID is really just getting a large group of friends or even family to go and travel together.
Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at authentic_African and subscribe to both Kels and TrueVonne.
TrueVonne, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, YouTube of course.
L.Emmy_ on Instagram.
And me for sure, guys. Kels Acosta on all platforms. Make sure you guys
Alright guys, if you'll go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Alright, see you on the next video.